Morning guys, day 2 at Great Wolf Lodge. Alright, I'm gonna go around real quick. Austin got hash browns, Aiden got wake up wrap, I got 1 bagel. Now Nima ended up getting coffee roll, muffin, bagel, and a croissant this morning. And 2 different coffees. Actually that one's just cream for that coffee, but wow. Now, I don't understand why Nima thinks she's so hungry and orders all this stuff. She likes variety. Like I just told her, like, let's just go to the buffet, but no, she just wants to order a spread of food and then she'll only eat like 1 thing. But don't worry, I'll help her out after she's done. Alright guys, we're on a MagiQuest now. We got our magic wands and we're gonna go on a magical adventure through the woods and through all the different portals. Austin, come here bud. Can you activate that for me with your magic wand? Wow, you did it. Alright, let's continue on guys. Whoa, nice job Aiden. These wand things are pretty cool. Can I see your topper, Aiden?
Oh my gosh, look at that way. Do you want to go that way?
Yeah. Alright, what's the portal do?
Okay.
Oh, is this where everything is?
Yeah, show me, Aiden.
Whispering Woods, I think that's where we are now. We gotta go to the Tangled Timbers, then the Cryptic Cavern, and Howling Hills.
Okay.
Ooh, Whispering Woods. What is over here?
Magic and handsome nights. But today, we have more urgent matters to address. From my window, I can see the pollution has devastated Serena's lands. But all is not lost. For knowing of your quest, I have prepared for you a healing rune which has the power to cure disease and heal wounds. Our hopes go with you.
This is the other. Wow, it's amazing.
Time to run home to mommy, said Magi.
Wow. Can we bring this home? We'll be so rich. Okay, so rest of the crystal is in this area, and this is called the Howling Wolf or whatever. You found him where? Oh, there they are! Look!
You have found the red crystal.
Cool.
You have found the red crystal.
Oh, there's another one. I gotta go. So I gotta go see her.
Yeah.
I think I know where that is.
Okay, we gotta go here. Let's go.
Crystals you collected. Well done. I believe you deserve the super sparkly dazzle rune. Have a dazzling day, Magi. We did the crystals, now we're gonna do the healing.
When sickness plagues the Magi realm, we are grateful to the Cloud-Crest clan for creating the miraculous healing rune. With its power, a Magi may accomplish great deeds of kindness and mercy. To create a healing rune, you must bring 4 ingredients with natural healing properties to Princess Grace, including lush fern fronds, spongy moss, saltwater slime, and sun-baked fungus. If you forget which ingredients you need, seek help from the Realm Guardians. Go in peace, merciful Magi.
Aiden is going on the big slide over there. And I don't see Chris anywhere. So I think they're on the other section. So I gotta go see over there. That's the pool part. I bet that's where they are. Although Austin's favorite part is this one over there, but I think that's where they are. I'll just... Hi.
How was it?
It was fine.
Quest.
It was good. No. It's long. Where did he go? Does he like this the best than the other place?
He's having so much fun. He's gone down the slide like 100,000 times now. Yeah, he loves it. Catch him at the slide and be in there with him. And now that we've like swam every day over the summer, he's like off on his own. He's all good now. So
He's
crazy.
So fun.
3 months.
Yeah. He's definitely like loves water, so he's definitely a water person.
He is a little fish.
He's got a fish.
They think of it all. They got your food, drinks, ice cream, everything. They got the bar right there. And it's all inside the water park. So cool. Everything's set up so convenient for kids and parents alike. Love it. We'll continue on with the pop passes. They're getting tattoos now. Glitter tattoos. Hey Austin, did you choose one? What'd you...
He's getting a gold anchor.
Oh, just like a sailboat?
Yeah.
Good choice. I like that.
I know. I'm surprised.
Yeah, out of everything?
All right. Wow, so pretty. You like pretty things.
I like pretty English.
Oh, you like pretty things.
I want good English.
That's what you got, yeah? This one's a little bigger than on the paper. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're walking, buddy, you gotta be careful. Don't rub it against your shirt, okay?
So beautiful. You like it, Austin?
Yeah, very nice. That'll come off, buddy. Yes, yeah. That's it.
See the reveal. Oh wow. Smells good.
So when you're walking, just making sure you're not rubbing against your shirt, okay, buddy?
Okay.
Cool scorpion.
Takes about 10 minutes.
All right, time to create a little critter today. Austin, which one did you choose? You get a backpack to carry it in, and which one did you want? You chose the wolf, right? So Austin chose the wolf, Aiden chose the dragon. Pretty cool. You ready to make them? You ready to bring them to life? Okay.
Look at the dragon! Look at the dragon!
Whoa. They're bringing them to life.
Do you like it, baby? Do you like it?
You got a tattoo! Yeah, baby likes it. Austin, okay.
Guys, I'm sorry to say the time is coming to an end. We gotta leave Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah.
Did we? I think we pretty much did everything we could fit in 2 days.
Yeah.
Not everything. There's so much more to do, but we've done a lot. So, all right. You guys want to say your goodbyes? Okay.
Bye, Great Wolf Lodge. And thank you guys for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Bye, Great Wolf Lodge. See you later. I see you next year, next time. Bye-bye.